Hey guys, Dylan with Winter Park Paint and Collision. In a previous video, we talked about how we color match paint. Now you could have the best color match paint in the world, but unless you prep the vehicle right before you paint it, it's pointless. The paint won't last. So we'll save the dent correction, priming, and sanding for another video. Before that, there's a few crucial steps that we have to follow. So here's Dan, John, and Stucky explaining to you what we do when we first get a vehicle in.
Here we have a 2004 Freightliner Sprinter van. Belongs to Precision Cabinets. It's looking kind of old, looking kind of rough. Precision Cabinets is a fine quality company and they want to represent their business that way. So what we're doing now is going over the vehicle, finding any imperfections, getting ready to take it down. We'll remove the fender flares, remove the side windows, door handles, mirrors, and this vehicle's for a complete repaint.
Well, we got this big beast in here and they want to make it look nice, you know, presentable for their business. So what we're going to do is we're going to actually start off by walking around a thing and seeing what it actually needs. So I'm going around and I'm actually wiggling my head back and forth, checking out to see if there's any dents in the thing. We're not going to get too carried away. However, I want it to look really nice to represent us as well. So I'm just walking around. I'll run my hand across it just to make sure it's nice and flat. I don't want my paint to look like crap when I'm done. There's a small one right there, and we'll just take care of that before primer. It's not a very glamorous process, but it's what we have to go through. See, there's a nice big one right there. We definitely want to take care of that one. I've already pre-marked that. Same way with this one. And then we should go ahead and wash it after this. After we wash it, then we're going to start sanding.
All right, so we're here. We're about to wash this beast. It's got diesel and it's got dirt, grime, mold, rust. So we got to get all that stuff off the surface. That way we're not digging into the paint with like sand and stuff like that. And also to remove chemicals such as diesel, which could cause fish eyes in the paint, which that's no bueno. Fish eyes, they are almost exactly what you would think. You look at the paint and it looks like little fish eyes all in the paint. And what that is it's a chemical reaction. Grease can cause it, sweat, fingerprints, diesel. There's a number of things that could cause it. Tire shine, and it just results in a really bad quality clear job or even in the base, depending on which kind you're using.
So there you have it. Taking just a few extra minutes can be the difference between a good paint job and a bad paint job. Want more tech stuff and cool information like this? Make sure you subscribe and don't forget to check us out on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter as well. Want your car to look badass? Bring it down to Winter Park Paint and Collision, located in Winter Park, Florida, the most badass body shop in Orlando. Thanks for watching, guys, and stay badass.